think they don't want to fight us. That's why.
No.
They won, but they scared.
They want to catch us in a bad position.
Monks can be bad position. Monk
Yeah.
was-
Monks are bad position coming.
They're coming.
Coming.
Reset southwest, please. The fucking guys.
Okay.
No,
I'm
Zaka.
dead. Fucking two mobs.
Keep going.
Okay.
I purged them. I'm gonna give you Judy soon, yeah?
Be ready to push. Be ready to push.
Okay.
I don't have purge.
Push.
I don't
Push.
have it, sorry. I used it on the choke on them. I'm gonna drop Judy. Drop
Okay.
Judy. Yeah. Yeah, I'm saving my purge. I will root.
Push.
Push. Net. Silence. Kill him.
Kill.
Blood Moon can die.
Kill.
Blood Moon can die.
He used the resist.
Wait, don't hit. 5 seconds.
I'm moving.
Healer.
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 We are
Healer.
Healer dead.
Go for them.
push.
Good job.
Yeah.
I moved.
One more. Yes.
And Zati didn't die actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I will revive.
Go revive that one.
We need to loot that body there.
Yeah, I'm good. So,